Welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to install DMD compiler for the D programming language, Sublime Text Editor, and Dub Package Manager. Let's start with the DMD compiler. Go to the dlang.org, the official website for the D programming language. Click on Downloads and download the official installer for the DMD compiler. There are 3 compilers for the D language. In general, the GDC and LDC compilers produce faster executables. However, the DMD compiler is the official implementation of the language, and it is developed by the D community itself. For what we plan to do, DMD is a great starting point. Next, let's install Sublime Text. Just go to the sublimetext.com, click on Download, choose your platform, and install Sublime Text. And finally, we need to install Dub. Dub is the official build and package manager for D applications and libraries. With the help of Dub, you can build and run your projects. Dub is especially useful when you need an external library. Tell Dub the name of the package or library you would like to include, and Dub will fetch, download, and build those libraries for you. To install Dub, go to github.com/dlang/dub/releases. Choose your platform and download the official installer. It will install Dub automatically. In the next video, we're going to create our first program. We will learn how to use terminal, output text on the screen, compile and run our program. Have a nice day.